I just got our new shower head installed. Come along and see it. So
that is that what?
This is off. This is how I installed it. I got it. I love how tall it is, especially because my husband is 6'2". It actually is going to work out way better because the other one was kind of short. But when you turn, hey, what is me everywhere? When you turn it on, blue.
That kind of color is sexy, right?
That's really nice. And then as the temperature starts to warm up, you will then get it to green. And then if we take it all the way hot, we should get red. Ah, that's so nice.
I like it.
Oh, I fell in love with it. And then it flames. I'm guessing I'm changing the temperature back down, so it might be trying to register.
The good thing about this is don't need batteries, right?
No batteries. It's all by the temperature.
So let me close the door and see how this. So it's like a sexy red light, right? I like it. Just 40 bucks, guys. No batteries. And pretty easy to install, right, Gilly?
Yeah. I really like the green.
I think it's gonna be our color because it's...
This is definitely our color. And there's blue. I am so in love. Good choice. Good choice.